Is your job safe from the rise of artificial intelligence? Today, we're exploring the top 5 jobs that could be replaced by AI. Stay with us to find out if your profession is on the list. Now, at the 5th spot on our list, we will talk about graphic designers. These talented individuals are the creative minds behind logos, posters, websites, and all types of image content that make our world more colorful. But here's where things get interesting. There are these amazing AI tools like DALL-E, and they've got some serious image-making skills. They can create pictures faster than you can blink an eye. It's like having a digital Picasso on demand. Now, while this might sound like a fantastic dive forward in the world of design, there's a twist here. Some people are starting to wonder if AI could shake things up in the graphic design industry. They're thinking whether AI's super-quick designs might lead to a new era where graphic designers face more competition and possibly lower salaries. But hold on to your seats because there's something big coming up in our story that might just change the way you see the future of work. Taking 4th place, market research analysts. They're like data investigators. They collect info, find styles, and help companies sell stuff better. Now here's the thing. AI is really good at numbers and predictions, like a digital fortune teller. This means AI could do the market research analyst's job super well. They might end up with less work to do. Now, let's look at the job category that's in 3rd place on our list. Legal industry jobs, including legal assistants. These folks play a vital role in the legal world, helping lawyers and law companies with various tasks. Their work often involves dealing with loads of information and turning it into important legal documents. But here's where things get interesting. AI, which stands for artificial intelligence, has started to make its mark in this field. AI is good with words and languages, and it's becoming more skilled at handling the kind of work that legal assistants do. It can help translate information into legal documents quickly and accurately. Now, here's the good news. AI won't completely replace these legal assistants. Instead, it might make their jobs easier and more efficient. Think of it like having a super smart assistant that can handle a big part of their workload, allowing them to focus on more complex and important tasks. But the real shocker is yet to come. Stay tuned to uncover the next job that AI might take over. Now, let's talk about the job category that's in 2nd place. Media jobs. This includes all sorts of roles, like advertising, technical writing, journalism, and creating content. These jobs are all about sharing information, telling stories, and spreading the message to the world. Here's the exciting part. AI, like our friend ChatGPT, is getting really good at working with words. It can read, write, and understand text-based information like a pro. In fact, it might be able to create content even faster and more efficiently than humans. That's right, it's like having a super speedy writer at your service. We've already seen AI in action, generating articles and all kinds of content. It's like having a digital assistant that can write words at the speed of light. Hold on tight because there's a big revelation just around the corner. We're about to unveil more about how AI is shaping the future of work in different fields. Now, we've reached the top of our list, the number 1 spot, and it's a big one. The job category that stands out as the most likely to be transformed by AI is tech jobs. These are jobs that involve technology and computers, like people who write code, make computer programs, build software, and analyze data. These professionals are like the experts of the digital world, creating software, apps, and making sense of all that data. But here's where things get interesting. AI tools, just like our buddy ChatGPT, are constantly improving at tasks that these tech experts handle. In fact, AI is getting so smart that it can write code faster than humans. It's like having a super speedy coder that never gets tired. Tech companies are already thinking about using AI to replace some of their human workers. They see the potential for AI to handle tasks quickly and efficiently. So, there you have it. The top 5 jobs that AI could possibly replace. But remember, while AI may be on the rise, human creativity, judgment, and adaptability remain irreplaceable. The future may hold surprises, but for now, let's keep exploring the ever-evolving world of technology and jobs. Thanks for joining us today.